WiseBudget Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my WiseBudget Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. And as always, links to the product can be found in the description below. WiseBudget is a streamlined budgeting app designed to help individuals take control of their finances with ease. It's perfect for users who want a simple yet effective solution to manage their monthly expenses, track spending, and save money. The app offers a clean, user-friendly interface that makes navigating your finances feel less overwhelming, even for beginners. One of the standout features of WiseBudget is its automatic expense tracking, which syncs with your bank accounts to categorize your transactions in real time. This eliminates the need for manual entry and saves you time. The app also allows you to set monthly budgets across different categories, such as groceries, entertainment, or transportation, and gives you a clear visual representation of how much you're spending in each category. This makes it easier to identify areas where you can cut back and stick to your financial goals. The app's goal-setting feature is another highlight. You can create savings goals for things like vacations, emergencies, or paying down debt, and track your progress over time. For people who are new to budgeting or feel overwhelmed by complicated tools, WiseBudget simplifies the process by providing just the essentials without extra clutter. This makes it accessible for those who want to keep things straightforward and avoid financial jargon. However, while it offers a great balance of simplicity and functionality, WiseBudget may not be advanced enough for those who need more in-depth reporting or complex financial tracking, such as investment tracking or tax planning. In conclusion, WiseBudget is ideal for anyone looking to manage their budget without the complexity of more feature-heavy apps. It's perfect for beginners or those who want a simple way to control their spending and save for future goals. If you want to start budgeting with minimal hassle, check out the link in the description to get started with WiseBudget.